Today I'm going to explain and demonstrate anatomical movements and tell you what plane they occur in. First of all, I'm going to start with the easy ones. To start, I'm going to abduct and adduct my shoulder joint. Abduction is moving away from the midline, and adduction is moving toward the midline. This occurs in the frontal plane. Next, I'm going to flex and extend my elbow joint. Flexion is a decrease in angle, and extension is an increase in angle. This happens in the sagittal plane. As I'm talking, my jaw is depressing and elevating. It's depressing, which means it's moving in an inferior direction, and as it elevates, it's moving in a superior direction. And this happens in the frontal plane. Next, we have external or lateral rotation, which is moving away from the midline. And opposite to that, we have medial or internal rotation, which is a rotation toward the midline. And this happens in the transverse plane because of the rotation in the shoulder. Moving to the legs, we have plantar flexion and dorsiflexion. When you're short, you tend to plantar flex often, and when you don't want to go anywhere, you dig your heels in or dorsiflex. All of this happens in the sagittal plane. And finally, we have pronation and supination. Pronation is the palms facing back in anatomical position, and supination is palms facing forward in anatomical position. And this all happens in the transverse plane because of the rotation.